If you're on the internet looking for a personal injury lawyer, you quickly realize that there are hundreds to pick from. So how do you pick the right one for you? Hi, my name is Hugh Howerton. I'm a board-certified personal injury trial lawyer and I practice in Houston, Texas. I'd like to give you my thoughts on how to pick the right lawyer for you. First of all, research the lawyer before you sign any contracts with them. I can't stress that enough. I get calls all the time from somebody who quickly hired a lawyer without researching them, only to find out that it's a bad fit, it's a bad situation, and they want out. Let me tell you this. It's really easy to sign up with a lawyer, and it's really hard to get rid of them once you do. So carefully research your lawyer before you sign any contracts. If a lawyer approaches you out of the blue that you don't know and wants to represent you in your case, trust me, you do not want that lawyer. You're looking for somebody that's board certified in personal injury trial law, which means that they specialize in personal injury cases. You should be looking for someone that has an AV rating from the Martindale-Hubbell Legal Directory. An AV rating is the highest rating awarded for both legal skill and ethical conduct. Very few lawyers in America have an AV rating. You're looking for somebody that's had experience with your type of personal injury case. For instance, if it's a medical malpractice case, you want somebody that's handled medical malpractice cases before. If it's a trucking accident case, you want somebody that's handled 18-wheeler truck accident cases before. Because just because they say they're a personal injury lawyer doesn't mean they necessarily have the experience and skill to handle your type of personal injury case. Don't be afraid to ask the lawyer questions. Remember, they work for you. If you get the feeling that the lawyer is too busy to talk to you after they take your case, that's a red flag. If you get the feeling that the lawyer just wants your case for the money they'll make, that's even a bigger red flag. Stay away from that lawyer. If you take the time to go on the website of the lawyer, look at their client reviews. If they're real client reviews, they'll give you an idea of not only how good the lawyer was in the end, in other words, did they get them a good settlement or did they get them a good verdict, but how they treated the client during the process. Was the lawyer easy to get a hold of? Did they promptly return the phone calls? Did they keep you updated on what was going on with the case? Were they there to explain the legal process and give you the guidance and advice that you should expect your lawyer to do? If you take these steps and do this research, you're going to have a much better experience and you're going to get a much better lawyer. The final thing is, most injury lawyers all charge the same contingency fee, which means that they get a percentage of whatever the case settles for or whatever the verdict is, plus their case costs. And they all pretty much charge the same fee, which means that you can get a really good lawyer for the same price as a lesser experienced lawyer. So take your time, do your research, look at the lawyer's credentials and experience, and then talk with them to see if they're the right fit for you. You can pretty much tell from the first meeting whether you get the feeling that the lawyer is going to be there for you and care for you. If you do these things, I think you'll have a much better experience. I wish you well.